Imagine a warehouse where the delivery trucks never stop arriving. The manager is shouting, boxes pile up to the ceiling blocking the exits, and the roof leaks because the crew is too busy unloading to patch it. This is the physiological state of a body on 3 meals a day. Digestion is a resource-heavy process. When new energy arrives every few hours, the body stays in a constant state of storage, leaving no window for the internal maintenance required to repair cellular damage. The 23-hour fasting protocol, often called 1 meal a day, stops the trucks and locks the warehouse doors. This pause allows the staff to finally clear the aisles and begin deep structural repairs. This is a significant metabolic shift. This protocol is intended for healthy adults. It should be avoided by anyone pregnant, nursing, or managing conditions like diabetes or blood pressure with medication without direct medical supervision. By extending the period between meals, you trigger a physiological transition modern food environments rarely allow. You are moving from constant storage to active cellular restoration. The timeline begins at hour 0. For the first 4 hours after your last bite, your system is breaking down carbohydrates into glucose. Your blood sugar rises, providing immediate, accessible energy. Your pancreas releases insulin, a one-way valve packing glucose into your liver and muscles. Your fat cells are locked. Between hours 6 and 8, meal energy subsides. Insulin drops and the brain releases ghrelin, signaling low fuel and creating physical hunger. The resulting irritability and stomach rumbles are metabolic withdrawal symptoms. Your body is accustomed to constant glucose, and as it struggles to switch to its backup battery, it sends out distress signals that many people mistake for actual starvation. You can manage this transition by gradually pushing your eating window back over several days. Additionally, as insulin drops, your kidneys release stored water and essential sodium. Adding a pinch of sea salt to your water during the fast helps maintain electrolyte balance and prevents headaches. Pushing through the hunger rumble is the requirement for the next phase, forcing the liver to open the glycogen wallet and prepare for fat oxidation. At hour 12, your glycogen stores are nearly exhausted. With no new sugar coming in, insulin reaches its baseline level for the day. This low insulin environment allows hormone-sensitive lipase to break down stored triglycerides into free fatty acids, finally opening the vault to your largest energy reserve. By hour 14 to 16, the experience of the fast changes. Hunger pangs typically subside because the body has found a stable fuel source. You're no longer reliant on variable meal energy. You are running on the constant, high-capacity energy of your own fat stores. Your liver converts these fatty acids into ketones, a fuel source the brain prefers over glucose. While glucose metabolism produces oxidative stress, think of it as metabolic soot. Ketones are clean-burning. They produce more cellular energy per molecule with significantly less waste. This shift to ketones explains why brain fog often lifts around hour 16. Evolutionary biology ensured that when food was scarce, the human brain would become sharper and more focused to aid in the hunt. Between hours 16 and 18, the body initiates autophagy. This is a deep cleaning protocol where the cell, lacking new incoming nutrients, begins to look inward for resources. Your cells identify damaged mitochondria and misfolded proteins that have accumulated over time. The cell breaks these broken components down and recycles them into brand new, functional amino acids to keep the system running. A common concern is that this self-eating process will eventually target muscle tissue, but the body has a specific mechanism to prevent this. At hour 20, human growth hormone spikes significantly. HGH prioritizes fat oxidation for energy while inhibiting protein breakdown. By signaling the body to spare nitrogen, it ensures lean muscle tissue remains intact while the system seeks out stored fat for fuel. The rare state of low insulin combined with high HGH allows the body to aggressively reduce fat mass while shielding the lean tissue required for physical activity. At hour 23, the fast is complete. Your insulin receptors are highly sensitized, making your cells like a dry sponge that will absorb the nutrients of your next meal with high efficiency. This sensitivity makes your choice of food critical. Breaking the fast with refined sugars or processed carbs will cause an exaggerated insulin spike, forcing your body to abruptly stop fat burning and likely resulting in a severe energy crash. Step 1 is high-quality protein, such as steak, eggs, or salmon. Your body is ready to utilize these amino acids immediately to repair the structures identified during the autophagy phase. Step 2 involves healthy fats, like avocado or olive oil. These provide a steady energy source and keep your insulin response moderate, helping you maintain a stable metabolic state. Finally, include a large volume of fiber-rich vegetables and fermented foods. These replenish the potassium and magnesium lost during the fasting window and support a healthy gut microbiome. Prioritizing nutrient density over calories ensures that your satiety hormones, leptin and ghrelin, communicate clearly. You finish the meal feeling truly nourished rather than simply full. After 23 hours, your gut lining has had time to rest, sugar-dependent bacteria in the microbiome have been reduced, and your cells have cleared out accumulated debris. This protocol builds metabolic flexibility, the ability to switch between burning sugar and burning fat on demand. You are no longer tethered to the constant rise and fall of blood glucose. This process aligns the body with a more traditional biological rhythm, a cycle of focus, nourishment, and deep rest. If you've tried this protocol, share your experience below. Did you feel that energy shift at hour 16? Subscribe for more deep dives into biological optimization, and I'll see you in the next one.